Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. This is MySQL DBMS, episode 6, Joins. So these are the contents which we are going to cover in today's session. Introduction to joins, different types of joins, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and self join. So let's start. Introduction to joins. A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. So let us assume then this is our orders table, and this is our selection. This is our customers table. Okay, so the customer ID in the orders table, in this table, is a foreign key, and customer ID in customers table is a primary key. So these two tables are connected by the column customer ID. So this customer ID references the customer ID of customers table. Okay, now we can create the following SQL statement that contains an inner join that selects records that have matching values in both the tables. So this is how we can write a join. Select orders.order ID, customers.customer name, and orders.order date from orders. Inner join customers on orders.customer ID equals to customers.customer ID. So this is going to return you some rows which will have order ID, customer name, orders date. So order ID and order date will be from orders table and customer name will be from customers table, where customer ID of orders is equal to customer ID of customers. So this is how a join works. Okay, now different types of joins. We have inner join, returns records that have matching values in both the tables. Then we have something known as left outer join, which returns all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. Right outer join, which returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. And full outer joins returns all records when there is a match in either left or right table. Okay, this is another example for you. So this is our orders table and this is our customers table. Again, there is a foreign key and primary key relationship between these two tables. So customer ID in the order table is the foreign key and customer ID in the customers table is the primary key. So this references this. Okay. Now this was a sample data for you. So let's talk about inner join. The inner join keyword selects records that have matching values in both the tables. So this is an example which we have already seen. Okay, we can also join 3 tables or even more tables. So let's see an example. Select orders.order ID, customers.customer name, and shippers.shipper name from orders inner join customers on orders.customer ID equals to customer.customer ID, and inner join shippers on orders.shipper ID equals to shippers.shipper ID. So this is going to return you the rows whose customer IDs match and whose shippers IDs match. Okay, now left outer join. So the left join keyword returns all records from the left table, which is table 1, and the matched records from the right table. The result is null from the right side if there is no match. So this is an example for you. Select customers.customer name, orders.order ID from customers, left join orders on customers.customer ID equals to orders.customer ID, order by customer name. So this is going to return you all the records from the customers table, because customer is the left table, and if there's a match on the right hand side table, then you'll get the values, otherwise you're going to get null. Okay, now right outer join works in a similar fashion, but this time all the records from the right table will be returned to you and null from the left side when there's no match. So this is an example for you. Select orders.order ID, employees.last name, employees.first name from orders, right join employees on orders.employee ID equals to employees.employee ID, order by order ID. Okay, so what this is going to do is this is going to return you all the records from the right hand side table, which is employees in this case, and from for the corresponding values, if there's a value in the left hand side table, then you will get that value, otherwise you'll get null. Okay, now full outer join. So the full outer join keyword returns all records when there's a match in either left or right table, and when there's no match, then you're going to get null. So full outer join can potentially return very large result sets. Here's an example. Select customers.customer name orders.order ID from customers. Full outer join orders on customer dot customer ID equals to orders.customer ID order by customer name. Okay, now let's talk about self join. So a self join is a regular join, but the table is joined with itself. So here's an example. Select a dot customer name as customer name 1, b dot customer name as customer name 2, a dot city from customers A, customers B. So in this case, both the tables are same, only the aliases are different, because that is how we can differentiate between the records, where customer ID not equal a dot customer ID not equals to b dot customer ID, and a dot city not equals to b dot city order by city. So when we want to analyze data from the same table, we can make use of self join. Okay guys, this was it for this session. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channels. See you in the next episode.